Hello, I'm Dr. Camille Lafleur, Assistant Professor of Marriage and Family Therapy here at OBU. Just wanted to take a couple of minutes and share with you some tips on how to maintain your mental health and wellness during this time. One of the things that we regularly neglect is our sleep. Our bodies need sleep to be able to repair and reset for the next day. It helps prepare our minds for the next day. And so it's important for us to make sure that we're sleeping during this time. So I want to share a couple of tips that'll help you preserve and secure that time that you have for sleep. The first thing is to make sure that you're maintaining a pattern or regular schedule. Having a regular kind of bedtime and a time that you get up in the morning will help you set aside a time for you to be asleep. Additionally, it helps for you to have some kind of relaxing activity that transitions from your day into sleeping. So for me, I enjoy reading, and so I have a couple of short story books, and I may read a story an hour before I go to bed so that it helps prepare my mind and helps prepare my body for me to go to sleep. Research actually recommends that you avoid using your phone for about an hour before the time that you want to go to sleep. So taking that break from social media and from games on our phone becomes important to prepare our bodies to get ready to rest. Additionally, and this is the hard one, you should avoid taking a nap. It's hard for your body if we've napped throughout the day to be ready to go to bed at night. And so if you can avoid that nap, it would be good for you to do that so that you're waiting for bedtime to actually sleep. Now, one thing that you can do to help avoid that nap is to take a walk throughout the day or do some kind of physical activity that also helps get some energy out of your body, which will prepare you for bedtime. And then the last thing for you is to make sure that you're preserving your bed for sleep. It's real easy to get up and do work from our bed and answer phone calls, but if you preserve and secure that part of your room, that bedroom, for just sleeping, that'll help prepare you for a good night's sleep. So I hope these tips have been helpful for you. I hope that you're able to be successful as we're continuing to work through this new norm so that we're still at our best on every day.